Hey guys, what's up? It's Scholar85 back with another unboxing, and this time, as you can see, it's for Resident Evil Village, or Resident Evil 8. Yeah, on the Xbox series of consoles. So, yeah, I picked this up today. Wasn't originally going to get it, but yeah, I caved. So, yeah, quite looking forward to playing this. It looks pretty good, actually. Follows on from 7 as well, obviously. So yeah, obviously there's the front, there's side, and there's the back. When a shocking incident tears his family apart, Ethan Winters is willing to do anything to get his daughter back, but at what cost? I don't know what this is. Then we got Lady Dimitri Escu, whatever she's called. So, yeah. So it is optimized for Series X and all that other good stuff. So inside we have a code for Rebirth, which is, I believe, it's kind of like a multiplayer mode, which is coming out later this year, I believe. So yeah, then obviously you have the disc itself. So yeah, that's my quick unboxing for Resident Evil Village, guys, on the Xbox series of consoles. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos, but for now, thank you very much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Alright, cheers, bye bye!